Well, hello everyone. It's Gianni Ubriaco, the Soul Pilot, with you again. Thanks so much for joining me. What we're looking at today is a beautiful backflow incense burner. It's a heart-shaped one. As you can see, beautiful heart shape over here. Oh, there goes the incense, the cone. But anyway, you have a couple here. And what's going to happen is we're going to place this beautiful rose-scented backflow incense cone right at the top here. It has a hole in it. So after we light it, the smoke's going to come on down. And it's going to flow down here, and then settle over here. And it's going to be a beautiful display of how love works. Love between two people coming together. You see it coming together on this side and this side, from the two people coming together as one. Two becomes one. Love, there's only one love. We're going to see that on display here. And it's going to be a beautiful display. How all our love comes together as one. We are all one. We are all the same love. So, make yourselves comfortable and get ready to focus on meditating on beautiful love coming together as one love. So here we go. Beautiful light coming down, lighting our own inner light. Start to see that smoke rising up, letting go of any other concerns, letting go of any other doubts. The angels coming in and helping to lift those doubts and concerns away in that heavenly divine smoke, transmuting it back to divine heavenly love. We're just going to focus now on love, aligning with our inner love, aligning with our inner light, and seeing that love starting to come down already. One love from one side. And it's coming to the knowing that there is truly only one love. That beautiful love. We are all the same love. See that love coming down from the other side, from the other person. All that love energy coming together in the center. With that heart shape. We are all one love. There is no separation. We are all unified. And just relax in that knowing. See that beautiful energy. Beautiful love energy settling in the surface in the middle. In that heart shape. Smell that beautiful rose scent coming through, imagining it, sensing it, feeling it. Beautiful energy of rose. Such a high frequency, such a loving frequency, such a loving energy. Let it fill you up, open you up, and align you even more with all the love you are. Letting go of any other concerns. There's only love. Recognizing those concerns only there to help you to come back to love, come back to trusting, come back to knowing, come back to aligning with divine love. The love of others, love within yourself, love of Mother Nature, love in the universe, the love of God, the love of the angels, the love of your families and friends. We are all the same love. We all come together to share it now. One love. Let us rest with that. Realizing love is never wasted. Love is never lost. All the love that you give out will come back to you in divine order. Know that love you send out, know that it goes where it is meant to be, goes where it is needed, and comes back to you. Only one love. We are here to be the presence of love and to share that love everywhere. See that love go everywhere. See that love complete this circle of love and complete the circle of life. How divine, how sacred, how magical, how pure, how authentic, how eternal. Love is all there is. Always remember that. Always come back to that truth. You are love, and you are loved, and you are lovable. Be love in action. Be love in this moment and in every moment. And know that you are accomplishing your mission. You are helping others to do the same. We are all love. For your growth, for others' growth, for collective growth, for individual growth. Love and light. One love, one light. What you send out comes back to you. Balance your love, balance your light, send and receive equally. Only one love, only one light. Thanking God, thanking the angels, thanking the energy of love from which we came, from which we are made of, and from which we share now, always and forever. One love.